Hello everyone, this is IT of DigitalAitee'sMarketing. Welcome again to my channel. Today I'll be doing a training video on the first steps to creating your website. I'll be teaching you how to get a domain name and how to get a hosting. These are two important things that you need in order for you to be able to build your website. So let's get straight into it. First, what do you need for a website? You need to decide on a domain name. That is what you want the name of your website to be. For example, www.makemoneyonline.com. The Make Money Online is called your domain name. So first you have to decide on your domain name. And in order to be able to have a good website, in order to be able to have a well-functioning website, you should have your domain name without hyphens, without dashes, without points, and all that. So for example, if you say it's Make Money Online, just spell everything MakeMoneyOnline, everything together. It helps with search engine optimization. Okay, so let's cut into it. Where do you get a domain name? So I'll be recommending this for you, Namecheap. Just go to Namecheap. I'll leave the website. I'll leave the link in the description. So just click it. It takes you here where you'll be able to search for your domain name. And how do you search for your domain name? For example, if I want to search for Canva as a domain name, let's say I want to use Canva. Let's see what's going to tell me. I search, and then it says canva.com is already registered. That means it's not available. Okay, so I search again. I go to domains again and domain name search. I can search again and see, for example, let's say my domain name is my website X. So I want my website to read www.mywebsitex.com. So I just search for my website X and I search, and there is it. See, it's available, and it says it's €7.51, €7.51 per year. Okay, so that's how you search for your domain name. And let me talk about hosting quickly. So I'll put the link for the hosting in the description below. The hosting I'll be recommending for you is called Green Geeks. They are very reliable. There are all sorts of hosting out there, like GoDaddy and all sorts. I've used quite a couple of them, and I can only recommend Green Geek because their support system is wonderful. When you are getting an hosting, you need a hosting with a good support system. It's a hosting where if something falls apart, if something breaks, they will be at your beck and call to fix things for you. This is what I really enjoy about Green Geeks, and they have very nice plans. So they have a plan of $2.49 per month. They have a plan of $4.95 per month, and for this light plan you can only have one website, but for the pro plan you can have unlimited number of websites. So if you know you only want to have one website, then you can go for the light plan. But if you know you're ever going to need more than one website, I suggest you go for the pro plan. I went for the pro plan myself. Okay, so let's just once you decide on the plan you want, this is what the page looks like when you get there. So it just looks like this. It says get started now, so you just click on get started now, and then you can choose your plan, decide on the plan, and just click get started. And once you click get started, if you don't have any domain name before, you have to create one here. You just type in your domain name just like we typed before. Like we typed before, my website X, and then you choose the extension, which is .com, and then you can go to next. Or if you already have a domain name, you can also enter your domain name there, and you fill in your information here, your email, your name, and all of that, and then you can now choose your package. So these are the different packages that are available. to be able to enjoy this $2.49 per month, you have to pay for 3 years. That's a triennial package. If not, if you want to pay for only 1 month, then you have to pay $10. So you can decide on what plan you want. But once you have filled out your information, I suggest you also do this who is privacy. It helps you to protect your privacy, to not display your information for anybody on the internet. Not to display the information of the person who owns the website, but your information is kind of secure, covered by this WHOIS. So I suggest it's a good idea to get it. So you just enter your credit card details, and once you do that, you just hit create accounts, and then you'll be able to go into your dashboard like this. So this is the website I created at first, but today I will be creating another website, and I'm just going to do that right now with you. So I'm just going to search the website already, DigitalAitee'sMarketing. So I'm going to create this website right here with you. So I click on search and wait for it for a little bit. So don't forget that you are getting a .com extension. There are other extensions. You can use a DigitalAitee'sMarketing.market. No, I don't want .market. .com is always preferable in anything that you do, and this is .com right here, and that is what I'm going to add to my cart, €7.51 per year. So once you see add to cart, you go to view your cart, and then if you are not yet signed in, it will tell you to sign in, but you have to look at it. You don't have to add anything. There are other things that are extra money, like this SSL. You don't have to worry about them, because the hosting I talked about, the Green Gigs, they have free SSL for you, so you just don't have to worry about anything. Just click on confirm order. Okay, once you click on confirm order, if you're already if you don't have any account with them, you have the opportunity to create an account here, just to give your username, password, and all that. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to put in my account and my password right there. And then, so now it wants me to pay. It's only me to use a card. I'll be using PayPal. You can use a card payment, or you can use a PayPal payment. I'll choose PayPal. And then I'll just click on continue. Okay, so it's telling me to check out with PayPal. I'll just go and check out with PayPal. Okay, so there is it. It says thank you for your purchase, and then it says now is a good time to set up the DNS for your domain. So this is what I'm going to teach you next in this video, how to connect your domain to your hosting. So I'll just show you how to do this. I'll just take you back to the home page. If you go to the dashboard, under accounts, you go to dashboard, go to your dashboard right there. You go to your website. This is the website we just created, DigitalAitee'sMarketing.com. So I'll click on manage, and here you can see name servers. It says the name server currently being used is Namecheap Basic DNS, and I'm going to use custom DNS. So what I want to do is take my DNS from Green Gigs and put it in the Namecheap, so that my hosting and my domain name will be able to communicate with each other. And how do I do that? So go to the already created domain name you have in Green Gigs, and once you click on it, you'll see domain servers. Can you see these 3 domain servers? So you copy it line by line, just copy and go back to Namecheap and paste there. Go copy the second one, and paste, copy the third one and just click on add name server so that it creates the third line and paste. Okay, and once you are done with that, you have to click this mark button which says save. Now it takes 20 minutes to 1 hour to be able to establish this connection, and in my next video I'll be showing you how you're going to get an SSL certificate in your domain. This Green Geeks hosting gives you SSL, gives you an SSL certificate in your domain, and yeah, and it's free. So I'll wait for some minutes for this connection to happen, and then in the next video I'll be showing you how to have an SSL certificate, because which is important. It's important for search engine optimization. This training video I'm making on websites is not just for you to just build a website for building sake, but for you to be able to rank #1 on Google. Okay, so in the next video I'll be teaching you about SSL, and I'll also be teaching you how to install WordPress on your website and actually be able to build your website yourself. And until the next video, then I'm going to see you. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, write your comments and tell me what you think. Ask your questions in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Until next time that I bring another video, bye.